Hello everyone, this is Paramita and I am a Salesforce Marketing Cloud consultant. I believe that sharing knowledge increases knowledge, and today I am going to share with you how to create an email template in Marketing Cloud quickly. Okay, this is going to be a simple email template which we can save for future, and we can create new emails using that email template. Okay, now before I start, I want to mention you can either start with Email Studio and then click email, or you can go to the content builder and then you click on content builder. Okay, on the top right corner you can see this create button. There are quite a few options like email message, email template, content block, SMS message, mobile app, chat messaging, upload. Okay, so they all have their own functions, like email message for creating the normal email. For email template is for creating email template. Today we are going to create the email template. So there are two options, paste HTML and from existing template. Now paste HTML we use, like suppose from other suppose your client they are transferring their everything like from any other system to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. They already have some existing email templates and stuff. They don't want to lose those. Okay, so in that situation we will take those emails, that HTML code and all whatever they got, we will paste it here. Okay, so but right now I am just creating a new email template, so I will click on this second option, this from existing template. Okay, so click on that. Now there are quite a few different types of templates Salesforce has already created for us. We don't need to know any coding, HTML, CSS, but if you know, that's your advantage. It's not a bad thing to know the coding. If you know, you can do whatever you want to do. But here we have a lot of options Salesforce has created for us. We can easily create an email template maybe in 5 minutes or less than that. Taking some time because I'm explaining these things so that in future, the people who are just starting, sometimes it can be overwhelming for them, the UI and all, because especially Marketing Cloud, you don't get free access till now. I don't know whether in future you'll get free access or not, but at this moment we don't get free access unless you are working somewhere or you are doing some training. Okay, so now here you can see basic, empty, themed, saved, all these things, like these are the basic templates. Here already some content blocks are there, like image block, text blocks are there, but no color. Now this is empty. This is empty template, so there are some like blocks, but no contents are there, like no images, no text blocks. Okay, now you can use these also, or themed. Themed means it has got some theme, like some color theme. It's already selected there. Okay, you can use this one also if you like. And saved, if we click on saved, we will be able to see all our saved template. Like we are going to create one template now. Once we save that, that will be here available as well. Okay, so now I am going to use some empty template today. Okay, uh, okay, I will use some basic template actually. Yeah, I'll use some basic template. So in the basic template, the thing is that already the design is there, you know, where to put image, where to put text, everything is set for you. So if you are a good designer, you go for the empty template, I'll say. Otherwise, if you want to make it quick, it's good to use any of this design. Now this is an image block. So if this block suppose was not here, okay, before going forward, I will just explain all the buttons here, like all the UI elements here. So on the top right corner you can see this is save. It's very important, whatever you do, please don't forget to save. Once you click the save button, then only your template will be saved. And then this is the blocks. So here this is basically the content palette. All the components like button, code snippet, they are here. I'll show you how to use them. Then you got content. If you click on content, you will be able to see basically all of your contents. Those are available in your org, like all the emails, templates, whatever available, you will be able to see those contents here. And then if you go to layouts, you will get the layouts, like these are free form layouts. Like this is, suppose if you drag it and put it somewhere, you got two additional blocks. Okay, so these are free form layout blocks like this. Now I don't want them actually, so what I'm going to do now, okay, yeah, now I can delete it. All right, so play around and find it out. Now then, uh, so like this, if you want these types of styles, just take it and put it here. So that's how you can play around and you can create your own styles and with the drag and drop. Okay, now I will delete it. I don't want it here as well. So this way you can use the layout forms. Then design. Yeah, there are some design things you can see: secondary title, primary title, all those stuff. You can use these things as well. And then this is the default view you can see here now. But if you click on the code view, you will be able to see the code behind this design. Actually, the code is basically HTML, CSS and all. So basically, you are whatever you are seeing here, someone has built that for you. Here the code is here, HTML, CSS. Now here sometimes if you know coding, like I can explain to you, like this is the media query, you see. So sometimes if you want to change the design and all, like by changing the HTML code, so you have to take care of this, because they have created this one as a responsive, mobile friendly. Okay, so when you are changing something, you have to take care of the media query as well, so that it will be responsive. That means it will look nice in desktop or mobile application or iPad in the similar way. Okay, so now we will go back to that default and we'll go back to that blocks. So here we can get the content palette. So basically I don't need to do anything here, because uh, whatever the design is here, I am happy with that. If you are not happy, you just put some content. If you want to add something, if you want to delete something, it's up to you. There is a beautiful Facebook link, and all those links are here as well. So what I am going to do, I will show you, like the functionality of this basic content, like the button. If you want a button here somewhere, button is already here actually, so I don't need that, but still I'm showing. You just can drag and drop somewhere where you want the button to be. Okay, and then you can design the button. Like you can see, once I dropped it here, the button text, if you want to put it something else, like suppose subscribe, subscribe my channel. So suppose subscribe. Okay, you want to change the font, it's Arial here. You want to do it Arial black. And then suppose if you want to change the font size, okay, instead of 16, suppose if you want to do 18. Okay, so you can change the style, color, size, everything, alignment. Now at this moment this is in the middle. Okay, if you want it to be left, just click on left. If you want it to be right, click on right. I want it to be middle. So yeah, so this is the color. If you want to make the color, suppose purple, make it purple. I'm just showing it to you because you can play around like this. What do you want to do? So this is the padding, margin, padding. This is the border. If you want to change the border, suppose Suppose border I want to be blue. Okay, and border width, suppose I want to be 5 pixel. Okay, so it is totally up to you what you want to do. Corner radius, suppose corner radius I want to make it little more radius. Okay, I put 15 pixel, so it became rounded corner. So it's up to you how you want to do. So after doing this, after doing all this adjustment, block setting means the block, like when I'm putting the button here, it's actually on a block. So the background block, if you want to do some changes there, right now there is no color. Suppose just put a color. I'm putting a green color just to show you the difference. Okay, what it's doing. See, the block where the button is there, the background block, it colored. So if you want to play around like this, you can, so that you can understand. Okay, so now I don't want any of this. Actually, it's not a good looking thing. I will delete. Yeah, so now, yeah, now the next one is code snippet. The code snippet also, you can drag and drop like here. The code snippet, you can see the name is self-explanatory itself. So basically, if you have reusable code snippet, you can upload here or you can paste here. Okay, so like that. I don't want to do anything like this now, so I am going to delete this. Okay, then freeform, similarly you can drag here and you can use HTML. You can drag here and you can put your, you can write your HTML code there if you want to write something. Okay, just like this, drag and drop. And then image block, already the image block is here. This one is an image block. Similarly, you can drop drag and drop image if you want another image here, suppose. Okay, so you can do it like this. I don't want this, so I will delete it. How can you put the real image here in the image block? I will show you this later on. And then text block is also another block. Like this is basically a text block here, but I'm just showing you. You can drag and drop. Okay, and write your text here. You know, all the adjustments you can make, like bold, italics, mm, all the adjustments normally available. Uh, Here also you can see them. You can style them, and you can choose the font size. Then you can, yeah, font size, and you can choose the font family. Like there are a lot of different types of font family. So basically you can style your text here, whatever you want to do. Now I don't want any text here, so I'll delete it. So basically, when I chose this basic template, my most of the job is already done. I just have to put some content here. Now image. So I'll click on this edit button. I will delete this existing image. Then I will get this option, add an image or put the URL of your image. Now add an image, if you browse, now like normally what we will do, whatever images we are going to use, before starting creating your email template, just upload that image in the content builder. To finish our email now, what I'm going to do, I will use an image address here. Okay, instead of uploading the image. Now this is an website, unplush.com. Here you can get a lot of images. Some are free, some have got loyalty. Now this image address, I'll right click on that. See, copy image address. I will paste it here. I got the image. Okay, now you can adjust the image. Maybe actually I don't want so big image, but before doing that, another thing I will do, see on the top of the block, you can see there is some gap. I want to adjust that first. I don't want this gap. So here you can see this is the content area. Here image border, image padding, you can do all those things. Now if you want to add one link to the image, that if someone click on your image, they will reach in some web page or something like that, you can add one link here. Okay, but I'm not doing this now, but if you want you can do this. So this sort of adjustment you can do. Now I'm going to block setting because this gap is in the block, not on the image. Okay, so this is the block setting. See the block background, none. So it's just no background color. In case if you want to do sometimes, background color of the block, I'm just showing you how it is. I'm putting a red color. See, it became red color. Now I don't want that actually, so I'll go back, no color. What I want this gap to go. Now see the margin, all three sides are 0 but the top is 10. So that's the reason why the gap is there. So what I am going to do, I will make it 0. Just play around, okay? Then you will understand. Yeah, that gap is gone now. Okay, and another thing I want, like I want this height and width. Like the width is 100%, that is fine, I can see, but the height I don't want so much height. I want little bit less. So what we can do? I will edit. You can do it here also. Okay, you can adjust the width and height here. This is block setting, and just I'm showing you quickly HTML editor. This is actually HTML for this image. Now if you want, you can do adjustment here also. Okay, if you are not able to adjust there, you can come here and you can change. Like the height, see the height here is auto. Instead of auto, what I'm going to do, I'll make the height 250 pixel. See, it's changing. In case if we want to make it 100 pixel, see how it goes like this. It's not looking very good. I will make it maybe try 200. Yeah, 200, that's what I want. Okay, now done. Okay, so I changed the height, I changed the height of this image. It's okay. Now this is a text block, this is one image block, this is the text block. I will edit it. Now the heading I'll change whatever you want to write, whatever the subject of your email. Just suppose I wrote email best practices. Just for the time being I'm writing it here, so don't worry. Just I have to put some text, that's why. Now subject line should be relevant to the content. So like this you can write whatever you want to write. Suppose permission based email marketing, like you should have permission to send the email. Okay, then personalized message. So like this you can write whatever text you want to put. Clear CTA. Okay, so done editing. So you put some text in this text box, then there you can put another image. So I will edit. Now again I will delete here, and I haven't uploaded any image. I'm going to use the image URL. Now I will take another image from here, suppose this one. Right click, copy image address. Yeah, so this already like fit the block, and I'm happy with this size. I don't want to make any changes here. Now just below the image there is another text block. I want to put something there. Maybe I'll say my favorite, oh, sorry, my favorite place on the earth. Okay, this is done. Now the button, you can change the text of the button text, whatever you want you can put. I'll put subscribe my channel. Just joking, but yes, if you like my video, to see more videos like that, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay, the font here is Arial. If you want to change anything you can. I'm not going to change anything at the moment. The button background color, what about this? A little bit this. Oh, sorry, this is the font color actually. The font color was white, that was fine. I have to change the background color of this button. Yeah, this one. If I put this, yeah, or maybe a little deep. Mm, yeah, so that's how you can edit each element. Okay, now here this is the, oh sorry, I have to done editing. Yeah, so this is the social media section there in the template. So Facebook, Twitter, all the social media link is already there. If you don't want to use any of them, you can delete that. You know how to delete now. Or if you want to use them, just keep them, and once you click on the edit, you can get all the options here, like your client's Facebook page URL, put here Twitter URL, Pinterest, Instagram. You can just put the URL of the page here. Okay, then it will be linked to that. And the alignment, you see they have put it in the middle. If you want in the left, you can do. If you want right, you can do, or just leave it in the middle. I'll do that. And then it's done actually. I'm not going to change here anything. Then link, there are quite a few link. Again, it's up to you. If you want to use them, use. If you want to delete any of them, it's up to you. I'll just go to edit, and you can make changes here. If you want to put any other link, suppose your company website link or anything, so it's up to you. I'm just writing something, but it depending on the requirement you will do this. Here also you can do like styling, you can change the color and everything here as usual. So it's easy, and Salesforce has got a lot of beautiful template design. You can use them, or if you want to use empty template, it's totally up to you. So see, basically less than 5 minutes you can create a template, not temple. Yeah, so less than 5 minutes you can create the template and just click on save button. It will be saved, and after that you can use this template to create your new email. Okay, so in my next video I am going to show you how to create one email and how to personalize the email, like with drag and drop facilities as well and with AMP script as well. Okay, and also I will show you how to test your email after creating the email, how you can test your email. Because whenever you are working on any project, when you create the email you will connect it with your database and I mean your data extension and stuff. So when we will do the personalization using AMP script, so we have to check if it's working perfectly or not. AMP script also, and we will use the dynamic content as well. So we will see two things, like how can we personalize our email using this dynamic content, this advanced content palette you can see, and also how you can do that with the AMP script. And then we will test the email that it's showing the correct information or not. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. Gradually, I want to discuss some real-time scenario which we encounter at our work, not just the whole email studio or anything, because a lot of video tutorials are available for that actually. I will discuss about that later on. There are a lot of good channel in YouTube uh, who have done really really good job. So yeah, so new things we will share with each other. That's how we can grow together. Thank you so much. Bye bye.